Hi everybody, I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive, and I'm making this video because it's Father's Day. So your dad may be a car guy and may be into fixing things, and I got some gift ideas for that car guy in your family. So stay tuned for that.
The first tool idea comes from VIM Tools. It's the Impact 50. So if your dad likes working on European vehicles, this would be a good set for him. This set features the top 50 tools that are used on a day-to-day basis on European vehicles such as Mercedes, BMWs, Audis, and more. These would be considered specialty sockets. They're what they call triple squares and hex and Allen. And the cool thing is they come together all as in one kit. These are also what they call impact sockets, which means they're designed to work with power tools. Here is one of the sockets in use, and this is what I'm referring to using with power tools. All the tools that I'm featuring in this video, I use on a day-to-day basis, so I know that they're good quality, they work, and your dad would put them to use and love them. The next tool idea I have is a power tool. This tool is the most powerful impact wrench on the market. This is the Milwaukee Tools half-inch drive high torque impact wrench. This wrench is designed to remove some of the toughest bolts out there. This particular bolt that I'm removing on this video clip here is one of the hardest bolts that you'll ever come across. And without a tool like this, it would be nearly impossible to remove it. This tool is also pretty cool because you can track it through an app. So if it ever got stolen or lost, you could track it. It has Bluetooth technology built into it. For our next idea, we have the Milwaukee Tools ratcheting hand wrenches here. So these particular wrenches are brand new to the market, just released this year in 2018, so most likely your father won't have them. This set of wrenches goes from 8mm all the way up to 22mm, which is a large set of wrenches. Most wrenches come from 8mm up to 19mm, and then you have to buy the rest of them a la carte, so it's nice that they all come together. It features a plastic carrying tray to keep them all organized and all in one spot. These are what they call ratcheting wrenches. The cool thing about these ratcheting wrenches is the teeth count in the head of the ratchet are really high, which means that you can get these in really tight spots. I use these wrenches every day in the shop environment, and I can vouch for their toughness. So there's no doubt in my mind that if you bought these for your dad, he would use these for a lifetime. So these are my top 3 tools that I think your father would love for Father's Day. Any one of these would be great. I will leave links for all 3 of these in the description of the video. That way, if you want to pick those up for your father, then you can find those links there.
I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. And I'd like to thank you again and wish you guys a happy Father's Day.